Your guy here, Moon Man, and today I would like to make a video about this bad boy right here, this cursor. Now you may be wondering, okay, Moon Man, how did you custom create your cursor? Well, I'm going to show you the multiple ways you can make a cursor. Well, the way I do it, but you can do the other ways too. Is that I would draw on good old pull up a clip. Then once I draw the image, I then go to RealWorld cursor editor. And then I go to once I get the image, I go to cursor from image, then I get to this file, then I pick it. Yeah, it shouldn't be that hard. Shouldn't be that hard. Or you can also just straight up make a new cursor from fresh from scratch. Like you get this board, get the tools, you get your like your preview stuff. It's kind of like GIMP if you ever used it. Watch, I'll give you an example. Here, I'll use the color pink. And if you just do that, here, I'll make a quick art piece. Just do that, and you draw. Hang on. What is? Oh, okay. Then what's the pencil B? Oh, okay. So here's a pretty simple one, right? So then, once you're done with the cursor, you can then go over to preview and you can choose like where you want to offset it so that this way, like, for example, like if you want this very itty bitty corner to be like we call it, well, there's no better term I can think of, but think of it as like a hitbox. There you go. It's like a hitbox. So then when we're testing it over here, we can draw at that point right there, at that hitbox, you can say. You know. So once you make your simple design, you can then oh yeah, you can also get those other tools, customize, But I'm not gonna show you a tutorial on how to work all that. You can probably find videos online. I'll probably link some. But and then you can also animate too. I forgot here, but yeah, you can also animate frames. Uh, yeah, that's pretty cool. And once you're done, you go to File, you go to Save, then you do oh, and then here's all my cursors so far. I don't know, just name it anything you want really. Pink arrow, yeah, arrow. And you can also have different file types. You can have as an animated PNG, animated cursor, GIF images, layered cursor files, real world, static. Well, it's static if you're just gonna have like a single image. So once you're done there, you're all pretty much good here. You can just pretty much close this out, and then that's it. And then if you want to use it, you go to Customize, and you can check out all these right here. Watch, if we go to my current cursor, open cursor file, and we go to pink arrow, apply, boom, there you go. It's now a cute pink cursor. Ain't that such adorable little thing? But you can also do other things like text select, like Harry, for example, here. I've been using these cursors for God knows how long. After I found out about this program. Uh, Then we got other options. You get the move, which features all like the OG for stick fight characters, weapons and tools. And then we got the link select. Like when you're gonna click on a link. Yeah, that's pretty much it. We like got all the basic stuff. But I'm gonna switch back to my good old Harry's knife. Uh, I can send you guys a mega link to the files of. I can send you guys a zip file of all of these cursors so that you can try them yourself. But if you guys really want to, you guys can just try a real world cursor, make your own cursor, and yeah, pretty much. Oh, one more thing. You can also to the right when you're going to create a cursor, you can also change the size. Keep it at 32 unless you have Windows 7, then you can have 48 if you want, but 32 if you're on any other system. You can also choose like your color depth, like if you only want black and white, or if you want like 4 bits, 16 colors, 256 colors, true colors, smooth edges. I just keep it at 32-bit if I were you. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Oh, wait, hang on. There you go. Pretty much it. That's it. And maybe I'll resend another zip file. Once I get all the other cursors customized and done. Alright, guys, that's pretty much it. Have a good day. Moonman is